How to get the best Flixbus discount promo codes. Coupon Follow allows you to search for Flixbus and find the most updated coupon codes. Click on Show Coupon Code to reveal it. Then copy and redeem the Flixbus code. This will redirect you to the Flixbus website. Groupon.co provides updated coupon codes and affiliate links for additional deals and discounts. Click on Deals to read about the deals and see the user statistics. If you encounter issues with the link, try another one by going back to the website and click on Shop Now. Lastly, promocode.ac provides the most updated coupon codes with details of the coupon and expiry date. Make sure to write the coupon code before expiration date and click on See Code to reveal the code. Copy the code and click on Flixbus to redirect you to the official website.